Darkness. That's the first thing I remember. It was dark, it was cold, and I was scared.
Who are you, Jack Frost?
I'm not a guardian.
If I find my memories, then I'll know why I'm here.
Looking for something? People's greatest fears. Yours is that no one will ever believe in you.
You don't understand anything!
Well, the answer to that is right here.